work with adherent cell cultures? Then estimating cell confluency is a known procedure to you. Based on this value, you may decide on cell proliferation, viability, and the perfect timing to start transfections or when to passage your cells. Visually done, defining cell confluency can be a rather subjective and error-prone process with varying results. Opt for the ZEISS Labscope AI Cell Confluency module and start to improve the quality of your cell culture today. Make your experiments more reproducible. Here's how it works. Start by selecting the Cell Confluency module in ZEISS Labscope. Now you're ready to focus your sample. Snap an image. Using artificial intelligence, the percentage of cell coverage in your cell dish is automatically and instantly measured and displayed. You don't need to adjust any parameter. Then you simply move your cell culture sample from one area to another, taking images as you go. The software will also calculate the average confluency from all acquired images. Labscope AI Cell Confluency is really fast and easy to use. Plus, you get meaningful and reproducible results that can raise the quality of your cell culture. Realized by Labscope AI Cell Confluency. For further information, visit our website.